you could make as much as $175,000 more on your current job. That's right, $175,000 more without getting a raise or a promotion. Hi, this is Marla Curry. I am a writer, business person, philanthropist, and former educator. You know that person sitting in the next cubicle, doing the exact same job with comparable education and experience? That person might make $175,000 more than you over a career. How? Simply by being a better writer. When I entered the world of business, I thought I was a decent writer, but business writing was a whole different animal. I had an English degree, but college hadn't taught me how to write for real-world business. It caused me a lot of heartache as I struggled to write documents of all sorts, reply letters, recommendations, explanation letters, always seeking the nod of approval from my manager for a job well done. But more often than not, things I had written came back marked up like a fifth grade essay. When I look back now, it cost me in getting timely promotions and earning more money. I sat idly by as colleagues moved into positions of more responsibility, becoming supervisors as I languished on the first tier. I used to struggle to finish documents on time, even a simple reply letter. And writing more complex recommendations was right up there with getting a root canal. And I wasn't alone. I saw others struggling as well. What changed for me? I'll tell you exactly what I did to turn the situation around and how you can too if you're struggling with written business communications. To learn how, register for the 175,000 Reasons to Master Business Writing Workshop. There are so many people active in the workforce who struggle to write business documents. But you can change the situation. You can earn the respect of colleagues and perhaps improve your job, income, or employment prospects, and it's not hard to do. What does it mean for you to change? Instead of wasting time on simple tasks, you'll breeze through them quickly and confidently. Instead of dreading a performance review, you'll bask in the accolades. Instead of wondering if writing is holding you back, you'll know writing is a strong asset. Instead of having a reputation as a poor writer, you'll have a reputation as a great one. To learn more, register for the 175,000 Reasons to Master Business Writing Workshop. The link to the workshop's registration is included in the description below.